Hi, Elaine here with WTI. I have found the best plant stand by NAKUPE that showcases my beautiful spider plant. In addition, this wrought iron plant stand looks beautiful on your front porch. It showcases our roses inside our entryway magnificently. I appreciate that it was so easy to set up. Just open up the base and then add your top and screwing it together. Then on the bottom, just putting the little feet that really protect your floor when you move your plant stand. And look how beautiful, it's artfully designed. The bottom base is so gorgeous. It's just a wonderful addition to my home. So look no further than this beautiful plant stand by NAKUPE. Use it in your living room, your entryway, and even on the front porch. It will showcase your plant no matter where you put it. I love it, I highly recommend it, and that's just my point of view.